What's up? This is Niku Checks, and this is not a Minecraft video. By the title, you probably came here because you're either looking into getting Windows 8, or curious about Windows 8, or wondering why I love it so much. This is the desktop, but the desktop is not the main focus in Windows 8. The main focus is the Metro. This is the screen you'll get once you log in. It's replacing the Start menu option from the previous Windows versions, and it's creating a customizable interface for you to, I guess, put icons wherever you want and such. These icons over here, the ones that are big and look much nicer than the ones on the right, are the actual Metro applications that you can, that either come bundled with the Windows 8 or you can download from the store. The entire look is incredibly elegant and looks amazing. And I think that's why people don't like it, because it doesn't appeal to them as a very productive operating system, but I feel it makes me a lot more productive because it looks nice, and I feel like, I don't know, it's easier to use this way, it's more organized. So, if you click on any of these things, like I'll click on Photos, everything's full screen, all the Metro applications. Like, the other applications, like, let's say, Google Chrome, that'll load up normally from the desktop. In order to access the desktop normally, you just click Desktop right here, and boom, you get it. But in order to access the Start menu again, you would just go on to the bottom left, like you would to go to the normal Start menu, and it'll come up with a little box, and then you click it, and then you get this. If you're wondering where all your applications are, you right-click and go to All Apps. And here are all of my applications. So I'm just going to go back to the Start menu here. I pinned these all to the Start menu myself because these are the apps that I wanted on the Start menu that I use frequently. And then these are just the applications I have. I have Tweet, which is like just Twitter. I have Fruit Ninja the game, which is so much fun to play on the computer. It's so smooth. Windows 8 is very, very focused on being very fast. So yeah, everything's really fast. It doesn't lag whatsoever as long as you have a fairly decent computer. Fresh Paint is just a painting program. I was playing with it earlier in a failed attempt at this video. You can just like play with the color wheel and such stuff like that. And drawing is fun. Hello. Smiley face. So yeah. People have tried to recreate the Metro thing, but unless you put your application on the Metro store, you can't exactly get a big icon like this. Like this kid. Tried to create a Minecraft Metro alternative, but, I mean, it's pretty cool. You can get it off planetminecraft.com. Next thing I'm going to show you is the actual store, and how there's not that many options yet, but when Windows 8 actually comes out, there'll be a lot more, I just know it. Like, these are just the All-Stars 88, and there's really not that many more than just this that's actually useful. Windows 8 right now is free. Yeah, free for the, as you can see on my desktop, right here, Windows 8, release preview. So yeah, it's free. You can go get it off Microsoft.com. Just Google it. Next thing I want to show you is how you get to the settings, how you log off and things. In order to log off, you go to this, you click your name, and you can just do it here, and you can switch around and stuff. The entire Windows 8 is based around like social. I guess being more social than the previous versions of Windows. So you sync it with your Facebook, your Twitter, your Google account, your Microsoft Live, if anyone actually uses that. And it all integrates. Like in People, it'll have all my Facebook friends. In Mail, I'll have my Gmail account. And yeah. So next I'm going to show you is the settings, like as I said before, but then I got sidetracked. Oh god. Sidetracked. In order to get to the settings, you go to the top right or the bottom right corner with your mouse. You just hover over it, and it'll bring up this thing. You can access the Start menu, go to the Sharing menu, Devices menu, and then you can also search This is pretty cool. You can search your app, settings, files, store, and then I think you can search the internet somewhere here. I guess not, maybe. But you can search around on your computer for that. So that's cool. The settings are a lot easier than previous versions of Windows. I mean, there still is the control panel that you can access by accessing the control panel application. But this is the Windows 8 alternative for that, for people that don't want to navigate to the control panel menu, which is really ugly. This is a very elegant, as everything else is, start menu. I got this wallpaper by myself, so that doesn't come bundled, but it has some pretty nice wallpapers bundled with Windows 8. It's easily accessible. You can also change your color scheme. When you first install it, you change your color scheme, and that's so cool how you can get so many different color schemes, and it's just like everywhere. I think I might change mine to green over black. I kind of like that. Or no, I don't like anything over black. Maybe I'll change it to turquoise? No, I'll change it to green over black. Users, notifications, you can say which ones notify you around and inside your lock screen. You're probably thinking how much of a smartphone-like idea this is. Windows 8 definitely resembles Windows like the new OS. I think they planned that because, I don't know, I always thought that, like, actual computers should have app stores, and they succeeded. And I feel like Apple might be falling behind soon, and they need to pick up their game, and if they don't have something like this, their next update, they're going to fall behind. I absolutely love Windows 8. You're going to notice that a lot of people are going to be saying they hate it, and they hate how the new interface is, and it's so confusing, and how they won't have enough functionality, but truthfully, all the functionality is there. You just got to find it. I don't see any downsides of this. Everything's fast, it looks cool, and it's nice. I just want to quickly show you the, actually, I'm going to check if I forgot anything. Yeah. I just want to show you the Music Maker Jam. This is a really awesome program. I got it off the store, and it lets you use loops to create songs. So I'm going to play you my song right now. That's how I'll end the video.
Follow me, Master Production. Gab, follow me, come 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 follow me, Master Production. Massive. Massive.
So that was an example of the dubstep song that you can make with Music Maker Jam. I absolutely love this program. It's so much fun to play around with. You can make really nice beats and songs and stuff. There's a lot of options. The last thing I remember to show you as I was listening to that is if you go in the top left corner, you can bring up recent application that you used. So, say you're in Music Jam and you want to switch to, like, the desktop. You would just go to Music Jam, switch to the desktop, and boom, you're at the desktop. You can still use your icons like normal if you really wanted to. There's also this thing where you drag around that I just figured out. So, I'll figure out how to use that. Oh, I don't know. What is this? Steam? Oh. I guess you would drag this down and then do something with it? I don't know. I'll figure that out. See you guys later. This is Windows 8. There's still a lot more features I didn't show you, so look up the features on the internet. These are the coolest features that I found that you'll notice right off the bat. I suggest getting it. I'll leave a link in the description for the free evaluation copy. This is only a limited